Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. So in this video we are once again going to run Pocket Option Robot Alpha Master. We are going to let it run till we make $200 in this video. You can download this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. It's completely free, it's a binary option robot. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram group. You should join that one today. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And just like that, we made $262 in matter of minutes with this amazing robot. You can download this robot also. You find the link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.